Hi everyone, we have something special planned today. The weather looks amazing, the weekend looks great, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be making a beautiful prime rib roast out on the smoker. Now, with this recipe, you can make it in the oven, you can put it on the grill, you can do it in the smoker. As long as you follow the temperature, you're gonna be okay. So what do you say we go get started? I'm gonna go get those spices ready. Okay, so the first step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel all this garlic, we're gonna crush it up, we're gonna chop it real fine, and we're gonna set it aside until we're ready to use it. Okay, the next step that we gotta do is we gotta season it. So we gotta take our salt, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna rub it all over. We're gonna rub it on the top, the sides. We're gonna make a couple incisions. We're gonna put salt in there. We're gonna jam it in wherever we can. Okay, now that we're done salting it, we want to use the rest of our spices. So we're going to start with the garlic. We're going to rub it all over. We're going to put it inside every single pocket. We're going to use the rosemary. We're going to use the pepper. We're going to rub it, make sure that we have everything covered. Okay, now that we're done seasoning it, what we have to do is we have to wrap it. So we're gonna take a clear plastic wrap, we're gonna wrap it real tight, we're gonna stick it in the fridge minimum 4 hours. I like to do it overnight. And before we use it, we're gonna take it out and let it climatize at room temperature for at least an hour. Hi everyone, what a gorgeous day out today. We've got a beautiful 6-pound prime rib going. Doesn't matter if you're doing it in the oven, on the barbecue, on the smoker. Let's have fun. You're gonna love it. right, this thing turned out amazing. It was so juicy, it was full of flavor. It's so easy to make. As long as you're following everything, you're paying attention to the temperatures, you're gonna do great. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon.